This is the site where Abu Dhabi's first Hindu temple is being built. The temple will open in the year 2023 and will welcome people from all over the world and of all faiths. Construction is underway in Abu Muraikha in Abu Dhabi, which is near Acres.The road connecting Dubai and Abu Dhabi. As you can see behind me, there are hundreds of workers who are right now laying the foundation on which the temple will be built. At the same time, in the Indian states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, about 2,000 craftsmen are making sculptures with marble and stones, and once those pieces are ready, they'll be transported to the UAE starting April this year. At this site, they'll be assembled like pieces of a jigsaw puzzle.
The beauty or the magic of this temple is just not the carving or the meaning behind the carving, but it is that it's been hand carved by artisans back in India. This is going to be a unique feature which is going to revive 10,000 years of art and architecture here in UAE.
Built without using steel and iron, this will be the first traditional Hindu stone temple in the UAE. The outer side will be made using pink sandstone from India, and the interiors will use Italian marble.
There would be 7 spires which symbolically represent the 7 Emirates of UAE. And this temple represents the true value of harmony, peace, and it's going to encourage that among all the communities within UAE. Each of the sikhars or the spires will contain stories from the life of the deities they enshrine, including the facade wall and the stairs of the temple will have cultural and moral stories from various cultures and countries around the world. The flora and the fauna carved in the Abu Dhabi temple, it will represent the God's gift of nature and express the harmony of values by having plants and animals from India, UAE, and from countries around the world.
The temple complex will spread over 55,000 square meters. It will include a large amphitheater, an exhibition hall, a library, a food court, majlis, and 2 community halls with a total capacity of 5,000 people. An additional 53,000 square meters will be allocated for parking that will accommodate 1,200 cars, 30 buses, and 2 helipads.